How to make money on Amazon. 10 tips and steps for you. Amazon is not the easiest way to make money. However, it has the best potential to start and grow your business. Amazon has approximately 17.7 million daily active users on its mobile app only. It makes it one of the highly trafficked e-commerce platforms in the world. This means how busy you can get. Most profitable items to sell on Amazon are beauty tools and accessories, sports and outdoors, baby products, pet products, home and kitchen products. So if you are a beginner, choose one of these categories. Examples of products to sell on Amazon are dish racks, makeup mirrors, pet mats, makeup brushes. These are products that people search for. That's why they've sold thousands of pieces on Amazon. Consider at least $2,000 per product and $2,000 for the shipping and importation and all the other expenses. Where competition is high, profit margin is low. But with the right marketing strategy, you can make money by selling as much quantity as possible. This is how you can make money on Amazon. In the first month or two, focus on getting reviews. Honest reviews. This strategy saves you a lot on PPC marketing and builds trust with your customers. Always offer good quality products at the best price possible. Put personal preferences aside if you have not established any specific category yet. When it comes to selling products online, you need to know what data tells you and what people are searching for, not what you want to sell. For example, data says instead of lazy phone holder for bed, sell automatic cat feeder. Delegate the task and use professionals to manage sourcing, shipping, and the supply chain, so you receive products at your door. This saves you money and time, along with providing expert guidance on what products to sell. This prevents you from getting low quality products. Your job is to focus on selling products on Amazon. Open a TikTok account and create content for your product. Act like you are the user of the product, not the seller. Use PPC marketing to show your product right in front of the eyes that are looking for your product. Analyze the data, adjust your listing and marketing strategies, and then begin private labeling the products that have received positive feedback. Like, share, and follow because now you know.